So I am headed. I don't even know what part this is. I don't know if this is starting a new vlog. If it is, hi, welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel, should I say. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. If you like my content, I ask that you subscribe so you won't miss any of it. Okay. So today is Friday. So this might be the start of the vlog since it's Friday. It might be a weekend vlog, even though, oh yeah, I got stuff to do this weekend. So yeah, this will be a start of a vlog. Let me start and do that all the way over. Should I just keep it? I'll just keep it. Alright, y'all. So anyway, today Friday. I am on the way to my friend's daughter. I'm on the way to my friend's daughter's graduation. She is graduating from nursing school. Yay! Congratulations, Taisha. So I'm headed there now, which I gotta stop to the store. I waited the last minute to get a card, so I gotta stop to the store, and I got to get gas. Oh, I hate getting gas. I loathe it. I don't even know. Can this get me? It's just right shy of less of half a tank. But y'all know I gotta travel 30, 45 minutes every place I go, so even if it's on the way back, maybe. I hate getting gas. Y'all, I forgot my Stanley. And if anybody knows, I travel with my Stanley every place. I forgot it. My mouth dry. I ain't put on no chapstick, no lip gloss. And I just got this shirt on for right now because just in case y'all looking like, she went to graduation look like that. No. Pipe down. Calm down. I just have this shirt on because they have t-shirts. We have t-shirts, okay, that everybody's gonna wear. You know, the graduation t-shirts. So I don't have mine. Sharon has mine, so I have to get it when I get there. So that's why I gotta be a little early too. But I got to stop. I got to go get me a jug. While I'm in that area, I'm gonna go get me a jug of sweet tea. I know I've been off of sweet tea for a while. I've been drinking the sugar-free ice drinks that I've been doing okay. But this is the weekend. This is the weekend, you know. So let's live a little. All right, y'all. Let me go concentrate on this road. Somebody calling, texting, or emailing me. Look, it's Friday. It's Friday. I got stuff to do. Y'all don't be calling me urgent. Somebody emailing me this morning talking about, can I do a one-time floor strip and wax on Monday? Are y'all crazy? Oh, y'all, it is Friday. It is, oh, I'm speeding. It is Friday. I did not near walk through on the place. I don't know what the place is giving. I don't know nothing. And then y'all calling me on a Friday because y'all need it done on Monday? No, stuff don't work that way. So no. I hadn't even responded yet because, like, who y'all playing with? Y'all been know y'all be needing these stuff, and then y'all CEOs and all kind of stuff be coming in town, and everybody want to scramble. Don't play with me and rush me. Because what it gonna do is make me triple charge you. That's what it's gonna make me do with such short notice. Alright, again, let me get off this and concentrate on the road, and I'll hit y'all back later.
fly. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life. Hit them strictly with the fire. Fire, 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 fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, grab it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life. Hit them strictly with the fire. It's a vibe. Do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop. They just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, how it go. All day, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Woke up today, look at your picture just to get me started. I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted.
We got you all doors slow. Baby, you was loud, like close. And I'm with you, everything goes. Coming with that on my slow. Body down, wrist close. Check time on the way home. This world concrete, flowers grow. All day, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything. I just wanna see you when you wanna see you. I mean, I trust you, I tell you, I won't waste your time, I turn it up just so I can turn you on. I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you, I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it up just so I can turn you on, baby. Weekends get poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. I know you coming for it.
Chemistry was crazy from the get-go. Neither one of us knew why. We didn't build nothing overnight, cause a love like this takes some time. People swore it off as a phase, said we can't see that.
We shall all be.
Now from top to bottom, they see that we did that. It's so true that we've been through it. We got real shit. See, baby, we've been too strong for too long. And I can't be without you, baby. And I'll be waiting up until you get home. Cause I can't sleep without you, baby. Anybody who's ever loved you know just what I feel. Too hard to fake it. Nothing can replace it. Call the radio if you just can't be without you, baby. I got a question for you. See, I already know the answer. Still, I wanna ask you, will you lie? No. Make me cry? No. Do something behind my back and then try to cover it up? Well, neither would I, baby. My love is on the up and up. Yes. I'll be faithful. Yes. I'm for real. Yes. And with us, you'll always know the deal. We've been too strong for too long. And I can't be without you, baby. And I'll be waiting up until you get home. Cause I can't sleep without you, baby. If anybody who's ever loved you know just what
Turn me up. Oh yeah. Who playing the music? You ready to rock?
What's up, man?
Alright,
What's up, man?
alright, we ready.
Hey, get that Louisiana in.
Thank you. Y'all having a good time? That's son.
Tell them I'm gonna need you to mind your goddamn business. I'm gonna do me. Tell them I'm gonna do me. Now, tell them what God got for me, can't nobody take away. You heard me? Hey. So if this your song, get on your feet right now. Let's go. Yeah. That know they blessed to be alive. One time, come on. Somebody get up now. If you're blessed to be alive.
Too hard to fake it, nothing can replace it. Call the radio if you just can't be without your baby. Yeah. See, this is real talk. I'ma always stay. No matter what, good or bad, thick and thin, right or wrong, all day, every day. Hey. Now if you're down on love or don't believe this ain't for you, no, this ain't for you. And if you got deep in your heart, deep down, you know that it's true. Come on, well, let me see you put your hands up. Your lady, she's the one. Oh, put your hands up. Ladies, let him know he's got your love. Look him right in his eyes and tell him we've been too strong for too long. And I can't be without you, baby. I've been waiting up until you get home. With anybody who's ever loved, you know just what I feel. Too hard to fake it, nothing can replace it.
Making love, play my song on the radio. You too busy trying to find that blue asshole. I let my black hair go and my weed swung. And I sweat too much on the regular. We gon' let them hits fly, we gon' let it go. If it ain't next door, then it gotta go. I just won a new award for a kid show. Talking about it, face coming off a bag of blow. I'm like, goddamn bitch, I am not a teen choice. Goddamn bitch, I am not a beach boy. Quick thing, make a nigga understand though. Got that Hannibal, silence of the Lambo. Hit the gas so hard, make it rotate. All my niggas blew up like a propane. All these R&B niggas be so lame. Got a sweet Asian chick, she go low man. You know man.
the country. Come on. One more time, love me up. Where they at now? Down in the country. Now where they at? Come on, DJ, let's get it before we get out. Love me a country girl. Never knew